Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time joining me, then welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair plug. This is a unit from ULAHAIR, and if you're interested in finding out how I achieved this look, please stay tuned and watch the rest of the video, as I will be styling and installing this hair on this video. So this unit was sent to me by ULAHAIR, and it came in this travel bag. Inside the travel bag there was a few goodies and also a leaflet with all the units that they have or you can find on their website. One of the goodies was a comb and a wig cap, and also inside the travel bag there was also the unit itself. This is the wig. It is a 13A body wave wig in the length 18 inch, and it also has a lace closure of 2x6. As you can see that it's very small there. I like a closure like that because it's easy for me to install. The wig cap also has an adjustable band and also combs to help secure the wig when you install it. Now from this part onwards I will not be talking much, as you guys can see what is the steps to installing. I will just like you guys to check out the description box. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, check the description box. There's all the details and links to the ULAHAIR website, and you can also find the direct link to this hair as well. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.